Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. This is Corvette Dan. What we are taking finally is a video of my C7. This is my C7 2014. It is a lime rock green convertible. It is a Premier Edition, number 201 over 550. This car is an automatic. This car has brownstone leather, 3LT. Again, it's the Z51 package with the slotted and drilled rotors. Also has the dry sump oiling system, the bigger sway bars. This thing is a track monster, folks. I've had it at the National Corvette Museum Motorsports Park. Mods at this point only include a Ram. I do like their products. You can see the little Stingrays. They're called Sting the Ray. I like the chrome rims, folks. It's just me. It's the 3LT interior with brownstone leather and suede. Back to blue, folks. I don't just say it, I believe it. Dual mode exhaust, folks. It sounds wicked. I pulled the fuse on this car. Sounds even better. Click that bell, please, to be notified of future videos. Like, comment, subscribe to my channel. I do appreciate it. This is Corvette Dan. Thank you, everyone.